Good morning, dear students. Hope so you all are fine. Now today we are going with the revision of word problem. Today date is 31/7/2020 and day is Friday. Your heading is word problem. Now look at the question 1. Radha collected 256 marbles. She gave 168 marbles to her sister. How many marbles are left with her now? What the question is saying, Radha collected 256 marbles. राधा ने 256 marbles कलेक्ट किए. She gave 168 marbles to her sister. Then उसने क्या किया, 168 marbles अपनी सिस्टर को दे दिए. हाउ मैनी मार्बल्स आर लेफ्ट विद हर नाउ. अब राधा के पास कितने मार्बल्स बचे, दैट इज लेफ्ट. ओके, लेट मी शो यू वेरी सिंपल एंड इजी एग्जाम्पल. राधा हैज़ 4 pencils. ओके, 1 2 3 4. नाउ टोटल pencils आर 4. She gave 2 pencils to her sister. Now how many pencils are left with Radha now? In this left, so we have to put the sign of minus. How many pencils are left with Radha now? 1, 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now look at the question. Radha collected 256 marbles. Now total marbles 256. And the statement will be total marbles. Total marbles. And after that she gave 168 marbles to her sister. Then statement will be given marbles. Given marbles. Now how many marbles are left? We have to put the sign of minus here. Now subtract 168 from 256. Now 6 is smaller than 8. So borrow 1. It becomes 16. And 5 minus 1 will be 4. 16 minus 8 gives 8. Again 4 is smaller than 6. We'll borrow 1. It becomes 14. And 2 minus 1 will be 1. So 14 minus 6 gives 8. And 1 minus 1 gives 0. And what will be the statement here? Left. L-E-F-T, left. So 88 marbles are left with Radha now. Question number 2 is, Amit has 384 pencils. Kiran takes 138 pencils from him. How many pencils does Amit have now? In this, what the question is saying, Amit has 384 pencils. Amit के पास टोटल कितनी पेंसिल्स हैं? 384. 384. किरण टेक्स 138 पेंसिल्स फ्रॉम हिम. किरण ने 138 पेंसिल्स अमित से ले ली. हाउ मैनी पेंसिल्स डज अमित हैव नाउ? अब अमित के पास कितनी पेंसिल्स बची? Look here how to solve this. Amit has 384 pencils. So write down 384 total pencils. And total pencils will be your statement. Total pencils. Kiran takes 138 pencils from him. So write here 138. Statement will be taken pencils. Taken pencils. Now how many pencils does Amit have now? So we have to put the sign of minus here. Now subtract 138 from 384. 4 is smaller than 8, then borrow 1. It becomes 14. 14 minus 8 gives 6. 8 minus 1 will be 7. Now 7 minus 3 gives 4. 3 minus 1 gives 2. So 246 left pencils. Statement will be left. Okay. And at last 246 pencils are left with Amit now. Clear? Thank you.